Hey guys, welcome Technical Beardo here. Today in this video, we will see how to fix when your iPhone is stuck on zero brightness or lowest brightness and your iPhone screen is not responding or your iPhone brightness option is not responding on your iPhone. Here on my iPhone, I have installed iOS 17 beta. So initially there are bugs I know, but right now it is stuck on a lowest brightness or a zero brightness and I can't use my iPhone with these options here. Nor I can see anything on my options or on my iPhones. So here even the brightness option is not responding to the touch. Also I thought there might be a reason behind this. Okay, it might be a standby option. Okay, newly launched in iOS 17. So I even tried to disable standby option in my iOS 17 in my iPhone. But still the error or issue existed. So now how to fix this or how to get back your iPhone screen or iPhone brightness to normal without touching your screen. So there is a solution, very simple one. Just do one thing, make a use of your Siri in your iPhone. So just do one thing, just say, hey Siri, increase my brightness. Like this, hey Siri, increase the brightness.
Okay, I made the screen brighter.
And automatically Siri will respond and it will make your iPhone brightness screen at normal. And from here you can use your iPhone as usual with the normal brightness on your iPhone. So I hope it helped you. I hope the solution works for you. And if it helped you, then please give a like. Please subscribe for more videos regarding iPhone tips and tricks and iPhone solutions. Until then, thank you very much. Bye bye. See you in the next video.